Okay, in example 2, we're going to simplify and we're going to rationalize the denominator. Now in this particular problem, notice that 15 does not have a square root above it, but 18 does. Now I could simplify 18 and do 9 times 2, which would be 3 root 2, but I don't really want to go that route. There is a rule in math that says you cannot leave a square root in the denominator. So in order to get rid of the square root that's in the denominator, we have to rationalize the denominator. And the easiest way to do that is to multiply the top and the bottom by a form of 1. And in order to get rid of this square root sign, the easiest way to do it is to multiply the top and the bottom both by the square root of 18. And like I said, there's other ways to rationalize the denominator, but I just think this is probably the easiest way. When I go through and I multiply this out, if I look at my denominator, the square root of 18 times the square root of 18 is just 18. And on the top, we've got 15 times the square root of 18. Notice that I can't combine that into one square root because the 15 does not have a square root sign, but the 18 does. So when I multiply them, it just becomes 15 root 18. Now we want to make sure that our answer is reduced all the way or simplified all the way, and this is not because 18 can be simplified. And I know that the square root of 18 is root 9 times root 2. The square root of 9 is 3, which has to come to the outside. And 15 times 3 gives me 45. I've got a 2 left over, root 2, all over 18. Now once again, I have to ask myself if this is simplified all the way. And when you are simplifying an expression that has a square root in it, the numbers that do not have square roots above them, so the 45 and the 18, if you can, you should simplify them or reduce them. So you ask yourself if 45 and 18 can be reduced, and both of those can be divided by 3. No, 9. 9? Yeah, 9. So I'm going to take the top and the bottom and divide them both by 9. And 45 divided by 9 is 5. I still have my root 2. And in the denominator, 18 divided by 9 is 2. Now a common mistake is students want to cross out the square root of 2 and 2 because they see 2's and automatically think they can cancel. But one of them has a square root and the other one doesn't, so you cannot do that. So that would be your final answer.